Welcome to lesson 2 of 2024 of FET timetabling system. We have just created a file called timetable1.fet, saved it on desktop inside a folder called timetable lesson, and we have also done our settings and configurations to confirm that is our output directory. Now our next thing is to put information and data in our timetable. Please be careful. We are going step by step until we reach a point where we generate a very beautiful timetable. In our previous videos we used an existing file, and I realized some of our viewers had trouble with that. So we are starting right from the point of putting data step by step onto our timetable. Now to do that, you can either use this option of data or use this option. Now if you use this option, there are a few things you might miss, for instance institution name and all that. So I usually like to use this option. Please note that in order to have a very effective timetable, you will need to feed information about subjects, information about learners, rooms available, teachers available, and the lessons, specific lessons and activity tags. So to start with, I'll go to institution information and institution name. Then I will say let's call this institution of ours online learning academy. Just once you type your institution name here, you click OK. Are we together up to that point? Once you type your institution name, you click OK. From there, our step number 2 is to give comments. For instance, you can say this is a term 2 2024 timetable. That's a very good comment that will suit us. So we write term 2. Okay, maybe for purposes of ensuring we can separate what term 2 and 2024 means. So term 2 is written in Roman numbers, then we got 2024 in decimal numbers. So we have term 2 2024 timetable. Then we click OK. Up to this point, we have entered the institution name, we have entered the comments. Now we go to days and hours, days per week. So again, as we had done previously, we're going to have Monday to Friday. We simply edit these days to have 3 letters for purposes of suiting onto our document very well. For some of these days are very long. For instance, Wednesday is very long. So we just reduce this to 3 days. And how do we do that? Option number 1, you can double click on that name. This window will appear and you edit or backspace the rest of the letters you do not want. So, and click OK. Option number 2, you click just once on the name you want to edit, and this will apply on the whole other areas of the timetable. You click on the name you want to edit, then you go to modify here. Once you've clicked on the name, you go to modify, then click modify. Then you simply backspace the letters you do not want and click OK. Since this is a 2-step of one thing I can just achieve here, I will simply backspace the other letters as fast as I can to save on time. but I believe up to that point we are together and okay.